Hey everyone, so here is Plamfy app. So here you have it. What is that? Yeah, watch streams and go live. Watch 24/7 streams, live stream, video chat, meet friends. Welcome to Plamfy. Plamfy is a top-rated live streaming app and social network. Here you can watch broadcasts of streamers and vloggers from all around the world. Uh, Join live stream now. So live battles, one-on-one chats, party with your community. And yes, so this is one of those apps which you might have a suspicion that it's like another like scammy, spammy app. But I think it's not. I think it has elements to be a legit app. So it's not some kind of Chinese scammy app. Yeah, it kind of looks like that. But here it is. You can just go and stream with a lot of people. Usually these are mostly people from Philippines, some girls. Then you can just go and start a live stream yourself. Then there are coins which you can buy. Obviously, that's how they monetize the app. So you can get these coins in here. So you can just buy these coins. That's where it is. And then there are messages. That's yeah, that's the idea. You can start a new message with people you match in the live stream, and then there is your profile where you can see a top gifters, so your status. Then yeah, you can be a creator in this app, so you can earn revenue in this app. And then there is like a referral program where you can invite friends. So for example, this is my invite code. So this is the code where yeah, which you can use. So here is PLMFGXRYG. So this is the code you can use, and then I will get some nice discount, and that's what it is. So they have a nice referral program. So you can also just become an agency, and then you can always also redeem cash. So you can earn these diamonds, and then you can redeem them for cash. You can also reach out to support@plamfy.com for withdrawable methods. And yeah, so this is what it is. If you're not happy, you can always tap account management and delete account in the bottom. So that's the idea of the app. You can try to use it. Seems it has some legit elements. Again, this is mostly like Asian community, like Philippines community, but this app for some reason is really in top charts in the US App Store. So try it out.